How to log in to Thinkorswim. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using Thinkorswim and want to log into your account, then firstly go ahead and open up Thinkorswim application on your mobile device or your computer. And right after you open it up, you'll get to this page where you'll need to click on Login. So right after you open up, you'll see this welcome screen where you need to click on Login or open an account. On the next page, go ahead and enter your login ID and tap continue. On the next page, enter your password for your account. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the forgot password link and follow through the password reset process. After typing down your password, click login. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your account easily and quickly. So there you have it. You can also log in using a guest pass or using the standard login section. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.